Hello, welcome to Flex Rewards. Today we'll go through the process of creating a new merchant account on the Flex Rewards dashboard. So head over to our website at myflexrewards.com, and in the top right corner there's a button Sign Up Free. Just go ahead and click that and you'll be taken to the first page of the dashboard. Now, to create an account, just type your email and your password and hit sign up. And the next page you'll be shown is a quick form where you're asked to input some details of your business. So here I'm going to set up a test account for Kindness Cafe. Choose a country, press continue. And you're in the dashboard. So to continue with the setup process, we've organized a series of setup questions here, very quick to go through. The first one is to set up your brand. Click open and choose a category for your business name. So in this case here, it's a cafe, so we'll just choose food and drink. We'll put the website in, it could be anything. And a description of the business. At the bottom, here is where you upload your logos and cover image. Cover image is just a photo that's related to your business. Now, you may not have these ready now. That's okay. You can always change these in the settings at a later stage. For now, just choose any image to upload so you can move on. Once you've done that, hit save. And you've set up your brand. As I said, if you can always come back and change it by going to your settings, and you can change any portion of your brand assets as you like. Go back to the dashboard to complete the setup. So continuing with the setup, what we'd want to do now is set up your store. So this is the venue, and we're going to input details that your customers will be able to see on the Flex Rewards app. So here I'm going to call my venue Orchard Road store. I'll input the phone number of the store and the address. Hit save. And now your brand and your venue has been properly set up. It's time to go on to the creation of the reward. Now the reward is the prize that your customers will receive when they've collected enough stamps to be eligible to receive it. So in this case, I'm going to make a coffee card where customers can earn 10 stamps, and on their 10th stamp, they'll receive a free coffee. So what I want to do here is create a free coffee reward. Go ahead and tap open, and I can start creating my free coffee reward by inserting the title and a short description of what they'll get. Insert any terms and conditions. And upload an image that's related to the rewards. So here, I'm going to upload an image of a coffee. And as you can see from the preview, when your customers receive the reward, it'll look exactly like this on the app. So it'll have the image that you've uploaded, your logo, the name of your business, the reward title, and all the descriptions that you've imported during the setup will appear in the app, just like that. Users can also gift or send the reward to their friends and family. You can toggle this off if you want to keep the rewards personal to the customers who earn them. By default, we've toggled this on, so it helps with social sharing. Just save your settings. And now the last step is to create a loyalty card. So let's open this up. And here you'll see that the first thing you can do is determine how many stamps you would like to be on your card. You can choose between 5, 10, 15, and 20. In this case, I want to create a stamp card with 10 stamps. So customers need to buy from us for 10 times in order to be eligible for the reward that's going to be given once they've earned their last reward. So we created a free cup of coffee reward, which we'll put on the 10th stamp. And every time a customer earns a stamp, these stamps will fill up. And when the last stamp is filled up, the free cup of coffee reward that we've created will be delivered to your customer. And your customer can choose to redeem it any time by presenting that reward to your staff. Now, we also have a great feature called Add a Mid-Tier Reward. And what this is you can add reward prizes before the final stamp is earned. So, for example, if you wanted to add a reward on the 3rd stamp, you can choose stamp number 3 and place your reward there. And so as you can see, your customer is going to come in and on his 3rd visit, earn a reward. Now, it doesn't have to be the same reward. In this example here, because I've only created one reward card, I'm just using the same reward, but you can go into the dashboard and create different rewards. So this one here, for example, could be a free biscuit or a discount voucher. And you can add as many mid-tier rewards as you like to make your loyalty program really interesting. And if you don't like that, you can just take them off quite easily. Now, these rewards are going to be valid for 60 days after your customer receives them. If you don't like that time period, you can always change it. So you can make it longer by inserting, say, for example, 360 days, or you can make it shorter by inserting a different number. And what this does is tell your customer that they have X number of days to use the reward after they received it. The minimum spend condition, this is also useful if, for example, you're a restaurant or a retail store and you only want to give stamps to your customers once they've spent a minimum amount. So in the case, if you're a restaurant, for example, you may only want to give a stamp out if they've spent $20. But for a cafe, generally, there is no minimum spend, so we'll just turn that off for the time being. We'll hit save. And there we have it. We've completed the setup and we're actually able now, we have all the information we need to launch the stamp card. What we have to do as the last step is start the trial. Now, Flex Rewards offers a 30-day free trial. So you can, during these 30 days, you can get full access to all of our features. The stamp card will be completely activated, and you can try it out with your customers and see how they go. But if you don't like it, you can always come back and cancel anytime. Just go into the settings, into your subscription account details, and just hit cancel. For now, though, let's go ahead and input our credit card details. So, oops, sorry. Should go here. In case you're wondering, this isn't a real card. So after you've inputted your credit card details, just hit Start Trial. And you'll be given this pop-up notification. Activate your loyalty card. You're about to start issuing your loyalty card. When your loyalty card is activated, you will not be able to edit the total amount of stamps in your loyalty program. So sometimes you'll get it perfectly right during the setup process and you know exactly what you want, but most of the time you won't, and you'll need to edit it. So what I'll do here is just say I still need to make some changes. And when I do that, I can create more rewards by creating different rewards. I can go back to my loyalty program and I can add more mid-tier rewards, for example. Say I wanted to go back and change it to add a mid-tier reward. And so once I'm happy with the way that my loyalty program is set up, what I'll do is I'll activate it. And once I activate the loyalty card, then it's now available on the Flex Rewards app. And there's no approval process or there's no waiting time. As soon as I hit this, it's live and ready to go. So I'll hit activate. And there you have it. The dashboard now will show you the statistics of your loyalty program. Obviously here I haven't signed anyone else up, so it'll show 0. But your loyalty program's live now. And as I said, you know, during the 30-day trial, it's you get access to the entire system for free. You can start signing up your customers, and rewards will be issued, and you can play around with these cool features. So in the next tutorial, I will teach you how to generate table displays and flyers and QR codes that you use to sign up customers. And we actually do all the templates for you, so you don't have to do any work whatsoever. And these table displays are used, as you can see, to be placed around your venue, and your customers simply scan the QR code that's printed on the table display so they can add your loyalty card and add stamps. So stay tuned for the next video where we go through how to do that on the Print Studio, and you can get started right away. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.